Beans for diabetes, the ultimate secret for blood sugar control. Did you know that certain beans can be a game changer for controlling blood sugar levels in diabetes? Welcome to our video on the ultimate secret for blood sugar control: beans. Hi everyone! If you or someone you know is dealing with diabetes, you understand how challenging it can be to keep blood sugar levels stable. It's a constant battle that can lead to various health issues if not managed properly. But what if I told you that there's a simple, natural way to help control those levels? Today, we're diving into the world of beans and how they can be your secret weapon against blood sugar spikes. Beans like black beans, kidney beans, and chickpeas are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. These beans are rich in fiber and protein. But what makes them truly special is their ability to slow down the absorption of sugar in your bloodstream. This means they can help prevent those dreaded blood sugar spikes. Fiber acts like a sponge, slowing the breakdown of carbohydrates into sugar, while protein helps keep you full and satisfied, reducing overall food intake. Imagine that key moment when you realize the power of incorporating beans into your diet. It's a simple change that can make a significant impact on your health and well-being. Let's get specific. Here are some of the best beans you can add to your meals for better blood sugar management. Black beans, high in antioxidants. They are great in salads, soups, and even as a side dish. Kidney beans, perfect for chili or mixed into a bean salad. They offer a hearty and satisfying option. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, they're fantastic in hummus, roasted as a snack, or added to stews. Here's a quick and easy bean salad recipe you can try at home. Combine black beans, kidney beans, and chickpeas with some chopped veggies, a bit of olive oil, lemon juice, and your favorite herbs. It's not just tasty, but also a powerful ally in your fight against diabetes. In conclusion, beans offer numerous benefits for diabetes management. They are low in glycemic index, packed with essential nutrients, and can play a crucial role in your dietary plan for better blood sugar control. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing diabetes effectively with natural remedies. Together, we can take control of our health and well-being. Thank you for watching. Check out our other videos for more tips on living well with diabetes. See you next time.